This is a wiring for a single light, controlled with two switches. Commonly used for staircase lighting. This is the distribution board wiring. In and out terminals are usually mentioned on the components. If not, check out the user manual of the component. Live wire coming out of the breaker connects to the common terminal of the first two-way switch. The neutral wire connects to one terminal of the bulb holder. The terminal 1 and terminal 2 of the first switch connects to the terminal 2 and terminal 1 of the second switch. The other terminal of the bulb holder connects to the common terminal of the second switch. This is how this wiring looks like when it was done in a practical board. Here is the demonstration of this light's operation. This is how it works when the switch position changes. Since this is the crossover method, equal switch positions will turn off the lights. Here is the practical example of this wiring. The first switch is in the ground floor, the second switch is on the first floor. The light will lit up the staircase. If you like to know more about this wiring, check out the website article in the description. Subscribe for more wiring tutorials. Leave your suggestions below in the comment section.